So, we saw you driving that vehicle. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me.
Okay.
And I mean, I was already stopped. I was going in with my grandson.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Sure. So we need to verify all the information,
It's fine.
right?
Go ahead, give me a ticket, whatever you got to do. I'll take care of it in court, okay? I mean, I'm serious. I really will. I'll take care of it in court.
Okay.
Okay?
So right now you're still being detained. At this point, we gotta figure.
Why?
Because we need to figure out.
Okay, go ahead. Give me a ticket for driving while suspended, whatever you got to do. But I'll get taken care of in court. I really don't need this at their house, okay? And they don't need it as well.
So you don't have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it because my wallet was stolen with everything in it.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay. And you don't have registration for the vehicle?
Huh?
Do you have registration for the vehicle?
Yeah, there's registration in it.
Okay.
I mean, my God.
Okay.
You guys wait till somebody's out and then you pull somebody's driveway? And you guys have to have a reason to stop somebody.
Absolutely, you're suspended.
Okay, but you guys don't even know who I am.
You're Kelly Wright.
Huh?
You're Kelly Wright.
I don't care. You don't need to be harassing me, okay?
You're suspended.
Right away, this stop is becoming more serious than a simple traffic violation. The deputies have already identified multiple issues: no license on hand, a suspended driving status, and a child riding unsafely in the front seat. What started as a routine encounter is quickly stacking up into a situation that could have major consequences.
Home.
Yeah, he needs a booster seat. That's dangerous. He's in a car without a booster seat. You understand that? Yeah. So we're going back to the front of the patrol car.
I'm sorry?
We're going back to the front of the patrol car. We're going in front of the car. The cop car.
The car?
We're going to go in front of the cop car.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Why do you have your grandson in the front seat when he's...
I'm sorry?
Why is your grandson in the front seat when he needs a booster seat?
What is what?
Why is your grandson in the front seat when he needs a booster seat?
He has a bit... I don't know.
Well, you need to not put the kid in the front seat of the car. He needs a booster seat. So that's 2 violations right there, Kelly.
Whatever.
You weren't wearing your seatbelt.
Give me a ticket. I was wearing a seatbelt. Both of us were. Both of us were wearing a seatbelt. I swear to God on my life.
When we passed you, you weren't.
We both were. Yes, we were.
No, you weren't.
I might not have been pulled out of that parking lot, and I did put one on before
After
I
we
left that
passed
parking
you?
lot.
Okay.
All right, she's suspended, revoked, sir. So we're going to book her and release her.
Okay, you're under arrest, Kelly. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry?
You're under arrest.
What? What's going on? Why am I under arrest?
Stop,
You're
Kelly.
suspended
Stop.
at this point.
Turn around.
Why am I under
Put
arrest?
your hands behind your back.
I've never
Stop.
been arrested.
Yes, you've been arrested multiple times.
And-
I'm released.
Yeah, until you're resisting arrest.
Please don't. I wasn't trying to resist.
You absolutely were.
I was not. I was
Absolutely
not.
not.
Over the front so I can put stuff in.
Just put
I
on
was
the hood.
not trying to resist. I was trying to get you to listen to me.
Okay. Well, you can still be book and released. Calm down, okay? Don't reach at anything. Don't you reach.
There's a pipe in this pocket.
Yep. Okay.
There's a pipe in that pocket.
Okay.
I'm going to admit it.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. What's in the pipe?
Please don't
Because
give
I
me-
don't have gloves on. What's in the pipe? Is it meth? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I appreciate
And
that.
there's
Okay.
meth in a container in there.
Okay. There's meth in a container?
I'm
Where's-
trying to get clean.
Is it in the car?
Huh?
Is it in the car?
No, it's in my pocket.
It's in your pocket?
because
Okay.
It was on the floor in the
Okay.
car.
Hold her.
It was on the floor in the car.
Okay.
It's
Where
right
was
here.
it? Where was it in the
Can I-
car? Where was
Just when it seemed this arrest was about driving violations, the discovery of suspected narcotics completely changes the direction of the investigation. Suddenly, the deputies are dealing with potential drug possession, and the stakes have increased significantly. One unexpected find can transform an entire case.
When's the last time
Can I
you
please
used
show
it?
you where it is?
Okay, we're gonna get it here in 1 second.
Can I
Okay.
please show you where it
Yeah.
is?
Yeah. Don't reach for
It's right
anything.
here in
Okay.
the pocket
Okay.
right
Perfect.
here.
Don't reach.
Okay.
Okay.
Right
Perfect.
here.
Relax. I
Inside
see.
pocket.
I see. Okay. I got it.
Inside
Thank you.
pocket.
Is there any needles or anything?
Huh? No, there's no
No
needles.
needles? Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank
I'm
you.
being 100% honest.
Okay.
Please.
Thank you. Okay.
I have some lighters and stuff.
Okay.
I have cigarettes in this other pocket.
The lighters. Listen. The lighters and cigarettes. We'll
I'm
leave
just
here.
telling you.
So we don't throw them
Okay?
away. Okay. That's fine.
There's nothing else.
Okay.
I'm admitting what I have, okay?
Thank you, Kelly. I appreciate that.
I think I'm being cooperative, okay?
Yes, you are being cooperative now. Yes.
Please don't give me the resistance arrest, please, sir.
Okay. Well, it's up to this deputy right here. Okay. He's the main
Please.
deputy. But listen.
I'm
I'm trying to get your letter. Okay.
Please, okay? I'm
What's
being
going on?
honest with you guys.
I
Please
know.
don't give me the resisting arrest, please. I'm being honest with you guys.
Okay.
I'm being cooperative, please.
As long as you're
That's
more
the charger
cooperative
for the
from-
phone.
I get you. I know what it is.
And then I have a phone in my pocket. Okay,
Okay.
seriously.
Is there anything that's going to poke your stick and stab me in this one? In this pocket?
I have nothing else.
Okay.
Nothing else.
I'll let you work that
There's
side.
nowhere to put anything
I know.
else.
Just check it.
There's nowhere to put anything else, honestly.
All right.
Check the back of the waistband. Check the
Got
back
it.
of the waistband bar.
I'm being 100% honest with you guys, okay?
I know.
I'm 100% honest,
Okay. Yeah.
okay? 100%.
Okay.
I told you.
Where was this at in the car, Kelly? Okay, wait.
It was-
Before I
it
ask you
was on the
anything, okay,
floorboard.
on the floorboard. Okay, Kelly. So right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have privacy with you or being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, we'll be appointed representing you for question if you wish.
I'm sure.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights or answer questions or make any statements. You understand your rights.
I do.
Okay. It was on the floorboard. Where was it on the floorboard at in the car?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's not my car.
Was it on your side
She's
or the
blowing the car out.
Was it on your side or the passenger side of the car?
It was on. It was just in the back seat.
In the
floor.
back seat on the floor?
Yeah.
Just
It
loose?
could have been anybody's.
Could have been anybody's.
Yeah, because she's blowing the car out several times.
Okay, so this was just loose on the ground, and you have your grandson in the car.
I picked it up because my grandson was getting in the car, and I didn't know exactly what it was. And I looked in it, and I was like, oh, fuck. Okay?
Kelly,
That's honestly the reason I have it on.
when's the last time you used any narcotics?
When's the last time I
Listen
did?
carefully to what's being said here. The suspect claims she picked up the substance to keep it away from her grandson, while deputies remain skeptical of that explanation. This is the kind of conflict that often becomes a central issue later in court. Intent, knowledge, and credibility all come under the microscope.
I'm just taking
gunpoint out there.
I'm just taking a look at your eyes. Well, that's because we got called about burglary, okay? We were just making sure. Is it, she's double cuffed already?
Yep, she's double cuffed.
Put her in the back to see the car.
All right, go ahead and sit in here.
There's quarter stuff all over the floor of that car if you look. You know, my purse is in between the seats. It's just all over, you know? It's not...
Sure. All right, then. This for you?
I haven't looked back and see that thing and I wanted to know what it was.
I gotcha.
Before I put my grandson in there. I really seriously am trying to do better with my life.
I'm just signing your property bag, throw all that stuff in it.
This needs evidence bag.
Here.
That's fine. Okay, the soda we're gonna leave. The lighter and soda we're leaving.
Yep.
She said she had cigarettes.
No cigarettes on her.
No cigarettes on her? What is it?
That looks like a lighter.
Lighter. She had another white lighter.
Can you give her the keys?
Yes, they actually are. Yep, they're we've already given that to him. So,
Thank you.
yep, absolutely.
So, and your lighter? She has your lighter, so instead of throwing them away to
What's
jail.
my bill?
Your bail.
Your bail, you'd have to, it's probable cause, so you have to see a judge tomorrow.
It's what?
The jail can tell you what the bail is going to be. It's probably going to be around 2,000, 3,000, something around there. Until you see the judge can keep, raise or lower.
I'm just wondering, what is it now? You guys should have an idea.
I gave a rough idea, probably 2,000 or 3,000. It depends what.
And
With
so
the
what,
bills.
like 200, 300 to get out?
Well, no, but before you see the judge here, go tell him. I think I'll explain the bill.
Yep,
later.
absolutely.
Well, so if I
Yeah.
you have to have 10% to get out.
Is that how the jail does it there?
Huh?
If it's 10%? They have the bail schedule, so it depends what it comes up for the charges. I'm not very familiar with the bail schedule and what the amounts are.
Yeah, I mean, you guys could have been a little more lenient. I mean, I didn't...
Not for the
It
possession.
wasn't mine, dude. I seriously picked it up off the floor of the car. So my grandson didn't get a hold of it. So I didn't know I had it, but I picked it up off the floor of the car. It wasn't
Well,
mine.
it's still illegal substances. You can't have it.
So what am I supposed to do?
You can
Leave it
close-
on the floor so my grandson can get a hold of it?
But you
What
shouldn't.
do you expect me to do? I mean, come
Well,
on.
he needs a booster
You guys
seat,
can be
Kelly.
decent with me.
I'm being decent with you right now, okay?
Not. You're taking me to jail for something that I was preventing my grandson from getting a hold of.
Okay, well, if you find drugs in the car, maybe you should stop immediately and call the police saying, hey, I borrowed this car. I found these drugs. No one ever does that, though, Kelly. No one ever calls us because they find drugs.
The what?
If you find drugs, maybe you should call us and let us know, hey, I found these drugs.
How am I supposed to do that when I just found it like minutes before I seen you guys? Like seconds before I seen you.
You could have started off the conversation by saying,
I got
hello,
out
deputies.
this,
I
so
found
that-
meth in my
I
meth in my car.
Can I tell you? I went to the pop machine, walked back to the car, looked in the back seat, seen that on the floorboard, looked in and went, oh shit. And fucking put it in my pocket and I was bringing him here.
Okay. Yeah, you can't do
Honestly, that's all I was doing.
that. I get it, Kelly. But right now, you're under arrest for
I'm
that,
being
okay?
100% honest with you.
Okay. I find that a little hard to believe that someone's just gonna leave a baggie of meth in the back car. I find it hard to believe that someone's gonna leave a baggie of meth in the back seat of a car.
People drop shit in cars all the time.
I get you, but
All
okay.
the time.
All right, we're gonna go right to jail.
All the time. If it was mine, it would have been in my purse.
All right. You want to check out the car at all?
Yeah, take a peek over there at the car.
I'm not a runner. You can look at my record. I'm not a person to fucking
Okay.
fight or anything.
Hey, so yeah, you're all good.
The only thing I'm trying to do is turn around to talk to you guys because I can't understand when you're behind me. I was never trying to resist arrest or anything.
Current thoughts of harming yourself?
I can't understand. I have a hard time understanding these things, right?
Do you have any current thoughts of harming yourself?
Thoughts of harming myself? No.
Yes. Okay. Any wounds? Any wounds?
Wounds? No.
Have you consumed alcohol in the last 48
No, I
hours?
don't. I don't drink. Very, very rarely.
Any other medical concerns?
I have a bad back. I have freaking arthritis in my hips. I have degenerative disc in my back. I have,
Can you turn and face the wall for me? Is it okay if I pat you down?
Sorry?
Is it okay if I pat you down?
Yeah, I don't have anything. They already patted me down, huh?
She
Okay.
claims she had cigarettes. We didn't find cigarettes, so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just heads up.
Alright, cool. Alright, turn and face the wall for me.
Ow.
Alright, you got something down here?
No, you were pinching me.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Alright, step this way for me. Alright,
those
head
are
over
the
to that
infractions
big
as
gray
well.
box for me.
Kelly, also, I just want to inform you, you're going to be receiving a few infractions, okay? And they're going to be with you in your property. They'll be sent to the jail. So it's just going to be the driving with no insurance, all right? And also the fact that there was a minor on the front seat that was under 4'9", and that he didn't have a restraining device, a proper restraining device.
didn't have what?
A restraining device, like a car seat, right? Okay, so those are the 3 infractions that are going to be sent to the jail. They'll be in your property, all right? Just wanted to let you know. Okay. Did you have any other questions about the charges?
Am I being held for?
Yeah, so this is going to be driving while license suspended in the 3rd degree. It's going to be that resisting arrest, and also the possession of controlled
I wasn't
substance.
resisting arrest, honestly. I was
Those are
trying
gonna-
to be able to
those are gonna be the
get to
3.
where I could hear you guys.
Those are going to be the
Because
3.
I really couldn't hear you. You
Okay.
didn't notice. I mean, I'm sorry. I really was.
All right, those are going to be the 3 charges, okay?
I was just trying to hand you guys the keys. I really was.
All right,
I was not trying to resist arrest.
okay.
I really wasn't. I'd never
In the
done.
end, what began as a traffic stop resulted in multiple criminal charges and a trip to jail. Alleged drug possession, child